Hello and welcome to Dad Got This. We're answering the tough questions like, what's one of the easiest lamb dishes you can make in your Ninja Woodfire? And what do you call a dancing lamb? That second one's easy. A ballerina. Today I'm cooking up something that I have made live for a bunch of people at Wild Fork. This is their pre-seasoned lamb rack. Today we're gonna make something that I've cooked for a bunch of people over at the Wild Forks when I do my live cooking events. It is their rosemary garlic Frenched lamb rack. This is an absolutely delicious dish and it does not get any simpler. Literally, we are going to take this, we are going to open the package. For reference, this is 1.29 pounds of a lamb rack. I said it was easy. I'm struggling with the opening part. It's probably more me than anything else. And the prep is done. Let's head out to the wood fire. Go ahead and grab your pellet hopper and fill it with pellets. I'm using the smoke and pecan pellets because I love them. Take it and shake it from side to side. That is the dad shake. The dad shake either compacts the pellets and makes it burn better, separates the pellets and gives it lots of air and makes it burn better, or does absolutely nothing and just makes me feel like it burns better. I still do it every time. Now we're gonna go put this in your wood fire. Here's a tip for some of you folks. Make sure that your unit is sealed like that. If it's sticking out, like, let's say if we had a pellet kind of blocking. If it looks like that, that is not right. All your smoke is gonna escape and not go into the unit. You want it in the unit, so flush. I'm gonna grab my probes, turn it on, smoker, temp. We're gonna go to 190. Time, 4.5 hours. It's not gonna take that long. And hit start. Grab your lamb, grab your probe. We're gonna get it into the thickest part of this lamb. Using the elevated rack so we can get a little bit of extra smoke all the way around it. Plug that guy in. Since I have the XL Pro Connect, I'm gonna use the app. We're gonna set it to a thermometer cook. We're gonna go with manual, 135 Fahrenheit, because we're gonna shoot for a 145 Fahrenheit final temperature after we sear it. As you can see, we have a ton of smoke here at startup, but that smoke is not coming out of the side hopper. Most of that smoke is escaping from the vent at the back of the unit. You say you like brisket, ribs, and pumpkin pie, but can you handle the dad jokes that come with them? My cookbook, Bad Jokes, Good Food, has over 24 wood fire recipes guaranteed to make you hungry and groan at the same time. Order your copy now at dadgotthis.com. That's it. It's come to temp. It is time to sear. Let's get it off. We're gonna let that preheat for 10 minutes and then get a quick sear on this guy. It's only been 5 minutes, but I think it's hot enough to get a quick crust on this. Let's do it. With this, you are not really worrying about time. You are just going for color. So get your grill really hot and just start moving the lamb around and pressing it into the flat top. You really want it to make contact with the surface so you can get a little bit of a sear and some browning happening. Make sure you turn it at every angle. Get the sides, the top, the bottom. It's a little bit unwieldy, but do your best and try to hold on to it. Once you kind of have what you consider a nice color, you're done. It should look something like this, and try not to drop it. And that is a super simple rack of lamb done on the Ninja Woodfire. Now sometimes I will take a propane torch or my butane torch and I will just that is mainly for looks, for photos. You do not have to do that at all. You could skip that. It is perfect as is. But for me, I like those little charry looks on the photos. We'll let this rest for about 5 or 10 minutes. Time to carve. And those are some tasty looking lamb lollipops. Perfectly pink, still in the center, which is exactly how you want your lamb. All right, only thing left to do is to taste them. Smoky, herby, not gamey at all. That is a nice piece of lamb. Serve it with a tzatziki, serve it with a mint sauce, whatever you want to serve it with, or just eat it like that. It's really good. If you're enjoying this content, please do the likey subscribe thing. YouTube loves it when you leave a like. I love it when you leave a comment. I answer just about every comment in my comment section. You really want to support the channel? Consider becoming a member. You get 24-hour early access to videos, behind the scenes. Sometimes you get extended cuts, all kinds of fun stuff. But if you can't, subscribing is enough. Well, we definitely answered whether you can make delicious lamb on the Ninja Woodfire. That's a big fat yes. So I guess there's only one question left to answer. What do you call a lamb thief? Steal wool. Yeah, pretty bad. Dad may tell horrible dad jokes, make fantastic lamb, but one thing Dad will never do is an outro. So that's it. Bye. This is the part where I thank all of my members. You guys are the absolute best. Thank you so much for your support, and rock on. I don't know why I said rock on, but rock on.